Hey there, it's Brooke from File Robots team. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to implement File Robots 360 View plugin into your web page. We released this plugin as an open source JavaScript solution to help you build high-quality, detail-focused 360-degree product views of your products. First, we need to manage our assets and prepare a simple HTML page to implement the plugin. Here, I have 36 images of my product. Each image is taken from a different angle to see the product from all sides. Let's store them via File Robots File Manager. Go to File Robot Admin, create new folder, name it whatever you like, then drag and drop images to the folder. Now, create a simple HTML. Create a new folder called 360-spin and a file index.html in the terminal and open it in your favorite code editor. I'll use the default HTML5 skeleton to create base HTML structure. Let's add title and image tag. And then take the first image of the chair from the folder. Let's open the page in the browser to see how it looks. Let's add a max width for image wrapper to limit the image width. So, how do I make my product spin and offer an interactive experience to my users? It's very simple. I can use the File Robot configurator under Implement 360 Spin. The first step is to include the 360 Spin JS script into our project. It is super light, only 30 kilobytes, and it is delivered by the File Robot CDN. Let's copy to clipboard and add it after all the code in the body tag. In the second step, we need to configure our plugin right in File Robot Admin and then place the resulting script in our project. We use the selector class to make the HTML tag a 360-degree view widget. Next, we need to enter the path to the folder with our product images. By right-clicking on an image, we can see the path to the image. Let's copy it and paste to our config generator. Then we need to specify the file name pattern for our 360-degree images. It must include index, which the library will replace with a number between 1 and the number of images. These are the 3 required fields. Let's implement the current configuration to see how it looks before adding some additional features. So, what we need to do now is to go to step 3 and copy the result configuration to clipboard and paste it into our HTML page. Let's check out the result in our browser. Hey, how about this awesome chair? We can spin it 360 degrees. How cool! Okay, let's add the zoom option and full screen view. We need to go to File Robot Admin and enable magnifier and full screen. Copy to clipboard. Replace the current one, or even better, let's add it below. Let's see the result. For the second chair, we can zoom in and open it in full screen. And for the last example, let's first add autoplay and then the bottom circle decoration. open FileRobot Admin, enable bottom circle and autoplay, copy to clipboard, and let's place it after our second chair. Okay, let's see the result. Wow, magic! The chair begins spinning when we load the page. And we can see a nice small bottom circle as an indication that we can spin the product. And that's it, we're done. If you want to check the full documentation, click on the link here. You can also ask any questions on GitHub or contribute to the project. Stay tuned, we are releasing new plugins for digital asset management on a weekly basis. Feel free to contact us if you'd like help with something.